Good morning, everyone. Being a boss or a manager is never easy. You always have to be on your toes and keep demonstrating various leadership traits and skill in engaging team to attain organizational goal. You also have to make sure that such approach is adapted, which ensures team's work-life balance. But still, there is always something left to be done, and that is why it's called a thankless job. But it is not as thankless as it sounds, and we have few of our colleagues who are talking about how their bosses are best. Let's hear it from them.
Hello friends, today I'm here to speak few words for Kundra sir. I'm too young to praise him, but he's too experienced to teach us. He always solves our problems so humbly with a big smile on his face. I'm so blessed to be guided by him. Then Disha ma'am, she has so many wonderful qualities. Whether it is art or cooking, she's always a thumbs up and always dressed in the most elegant way. Most of all, always keep the team spirit high.
Boss Mr. Javier Singh, he is the best boss बिकॉज कि वो मुझे हर प्रॉब्लम में मेरी बहुत हेल्प करते हैं. मुझे जहाँ भी मैं फंसती हूँ वहाँ मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं. इनफैक्ट कभी कभी तो वो अपना काम छोड़कर भी मेरे काम को पहले फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी देते हैं. मुझे सिखाते हैं, मुझे लर्निंग देते हैं, मुझे समझाते हैं ताकि मैं कैसे ग्रोथ कर सकती हूँ, कैसे आगे बढ़ सकती हूँ. ओवरऑल वो बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत सपोर्टिव हैं और काफ़ी अच्छे जेन्युइन इंसान भी हैं. थैंक यू.
My boss Bhatia sir is a gem of a person, and having such a sweet and down-to-earth nature after being so much successful in life is an evidence of it. I have learned so much from him, and still there is a lot of things to learn from him, from his ocean of experience and knowledge, and a very kind person, always ready to help and guide whenever there is a need. And it's a privilege to have him as a mentor, as a guide, as boss. And thank you so much, sir. I don't know how much time I will say that. But thank you so much. Thank you for being there, and I wish a very healthy and a very long life to you, very happy life to you. Thank you so much.
Gaurav Mittal sir, I think he is one of the coolest boss I ever had. He has a unique quality, and that is his quiet nature, and I think this is a best learning for me also. It's been more than 4 years to work under him. He always support and guide me at any situations. He allows me to take decision independently. That shows the trust and faith he is on me. He is also very helping and caring in nature. That motivates to connect with the organizations. I'm very fortunate that I got a chance to work with him. For me, he's the best boss.
Hi everyone, I joined Shivalik Bank Noida office in June 2018 under the leadership of Mr. Harish Bhatia sir. He's a very good team leader and having good command on treasury. He also have deep knowledge about treasury and money market, which is helpful to generate the profit for a bank. I learned so much from him about treasury. On a personal level, he is a very decent personality and I like his dressing sense very much. He is very supportive person. He always make ready to himself to help the team in any way he can. I wish a very happy and healthy long life for you. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. I would like to talk about my current boss, Mr. P.K. Gupta. He's the best in my view because he's still very hard worker in his second innings, and he's always ready and able to accept any task given by the senior management, and he's very supportive to his team. And one thing more, that his vision is very clear about the achievement of common goal of the organization, And one thing more, that I am very proudful and very thankful that he is my boss. Thank you, sir.
Hi Kirti, this is a message for you. Since you are my reporting manager, so as the financial year has ended, I just wanted to convey my gratitude to you. That thank you for standing by us throughout the year, for guiding us, for helping us, assisting us in whatever way we needed you. And thank you for taking our stand. Thank you for motivating us. Thank you for always guiding us. Thank you for being there for us. So this is just a small gesture from my side to you. Kindly accept. Thank you.
Hi, my boss Kirti is the best because she has a very sharp and creative mind. She gives her team the confidence to go beyond and think beyond the traditional.
My boss Mohit Verma is the best boss because he is a good team leader. He is very soft-spoken, responsible and motivational person. And one more thing, he is very helpful to his wife in household work.
A team is like a family, and Singla sir is the head of this family. He is very kind and very helpful person, and always up for his help and guidance. I'm very grateful to have a manager like him. His extended support is like a blessing for us and help us to grow in our future. His active participation in all the activity proves that age is just a number. My boss is the best.
Hi. So today I got an opportunity to say something about my boss, Mr. Harsh Mittal. Well, the first thing that comes into my mind that he is very meticulous, workaholic and extremely busy, yet always open to hear new ideas and opinion. I would like to take this opportunity to thank him for being my boss and mentor, as he helped me to shape my career, professional life, and showed me to transform my mistakes into his skills. He is always back you in front of team, no matter what you do, and will point out your mistakes in one-to-one meeting. He always expects you to have the knowledge of whatever document you are passing to him or to the board. It doesn't matter if it is in your area of work or not. Because of that, after some point of time, you will have the basic knowledge of all the departments. As a CS of the organization, one thing I want to tell you that he is very strict to follow the guidelines. He is always like to do the things as per the books and believes in good governance. That's it. In the end, I would like to say that thank you for always challenging me to improve and grow. Be like this always, and I'm not saying all this because you approve my manual punch.